Hello guys, welcome to Data Pixel. Today we'll see how to install MySQL Workbench in Windows. So first of all, we'll open the Google Chrome. Then we'll type in MySQL. Here you can see the MySQL. So we'll click on the MySQL. This is the official site. So here we can see the download section. Click on that. Then scroll a little bit down and here you can find the MySQL community downloads. So we'll click on that. So here you can see the different tools available here to download. So we'll download the MySQL installer for Windows as I am using Windows operating system. So I'll click on that. Now here you can see the two types. First one is web installer and second one is offline installer. So we'll download the second one. Now it is asking us to sign up or login. So we don't need to sign up or login. We can simply say no thanks, just start my download. So we'll click on that. So here you can see the download has started. So we'll wait for the download. Now you can see we have successfully downloaded the installer. So we'll simply click on that. We'll minimize this Chrome. So this window will appear. So we'll click on yes. We'll give permission to install. We'll click on yes. So for those people who are installing for the first time, they will get this kind of window initially. So here we can see there are different products available. So out of this we will install MySQL server and we will install MySQL Workbench and MySQL shell. So first we'll click on this and we'll add this to the products to be installed. Now similar to the MySQL Workbench, we'll click here and then we'll take MySQL shell. So we'll click on this. Here you can see all three has been added in the products to be installed section. So we'll simply click on next. Now here we can see this part already exists. So you simply click on this next. We'll click on yes and we'll execute it. Here we can see the installation is completed. We'll go to the next steps by clicking on next. So we'll click on next. Here we can see the port 3306 and configuration type is development computer. So we'll keep it as it is. So we'll click on next. This is authentication method, so we'll keep it as it is. So we are not going to change anything. So we'll click on next. Here it is asking us to set a password for root server. So we'll keep it simple. So this is my password. So it is repeat password. We'll again put the same password. So here we can see the MySQL user account. We can add user by clicking on add user. Here you can give the name for the user, and here again you can give the password for the username for that username. But currently I am not going to add any user, so I'll cancel it and I will click on next. Here you can see the Windows service. We'll keep it as it is, so we'll click on next. We'll click on next again, so we'll execute. So we can see it is getting tick mark, so just wait for a while. So here we can see we have successfully completed this configuration, so we'll click on finish. Now we'll click on, see here we got a message configuration complete, so we'll click on next again. So this is we'll finish it. So we can see here we have successfully installed the MySQL Workbench as well as MySQL shell. So this is the shell window, and this is our MySQL Workbench. So we can simply close this shell, and this one also. Here we can see we have a root user, so we can simply click on this and we can put the password which we gave earlier. So we'll click on OK. So here you can see the interface of the MySQL Workbench. Then you can simply click on schema. Here you can see the system. We have only one database here. Okay, so that's it. We have successfully installed the MySQL Workbench. Thank you for watching.